Who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage was considered to be the father of computer after his invention of analytical engine in 1837. The analytical engine contained ALU, that is arithmetical and logical unit. He invented the Babbage engine, in which the programming was done by using punch cards. As the father of modern computers. Alan Turing is known as the father of modern computers. His revolutionary idea was to create a machine that would turn thought processes into numbers. The machine would read a series of ones and zeros from a tape which described the steps needed to solve a problem or task. It took 9 years for technology to advance to the point where a machine could be built to test his ideas. And it worked. Today, all the digital computers that we use work on the same principle. Developed the basic architecture of computer. John von Neumann developed the basic architecture of computers in 1945. His computer architecture design consists of a central unit, also known as control unit, arithmetical and logical unit, ALU, memory unit, registers, and input-output units. Central processing unit is an electronic circuit responsible for exchanging the instructions of a computer program. The CPU contains the ALU, CU, that is arithmetical and logical unit, control unit, and variety of registers. Arithmetical and logical unit allows arithmetical, that is add, subtract, and logical and or not operations to be carried out. The control unit, that is CU, controls all the operations of the computer's ALU, memory, and input-output devices. Tell them how to respond to the program instructions it has just read and interpret them from the memory unit. Who is known as the first programmer? Lady Ada Lovelace was known as the first programmer. At the age of 17, Ada met Charles Babbage. The pair soon became friends, and the much older Babbage served as a mentor to Ada. Through Babbage, Ada began studying advanced mathematics with University of London professor Augustus D. Morgan. Mathematician Ada Lovelace was the daughter of poet Lord Byron, called as the first computer programmer for writing an algorithm for a computer machine in the mid-1800s. The first electronic computer, ENIAC, which meant Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was a computer built in 1946. It was designed by two people, John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. The machine was built out of nearly 17,500 vacuum tubes, 7,200 diodes, and many miles of wire. It took up 1,800 square feet of space, which is the size of a large room. ENIAC is still considered to be the first computer, even though another digital computer called ABC, Atanasoff Berry computer, was first made in 1937. This is because the ABC was not programmable. ENIAC is known as the first computer.